Hello everyone, I am here with a layout titled Merry and Bright. It's a Christmas layout using November 2017 Hip Kit. And this is my niece and her two boys. And I did some mixed media to the background. And it's that house and tree pattern right there. That is Pink Fresh Studio December Days Starry Night. No, there's no bread. No, because it's going to be dinner. That was just a snack. Yeah, it's not dinner. It's just, here, throw it in my garbage right there. That was just a little snack. You're welcome. Sorry. I gave him a peanut butter and jelly sandwich as a snack, and he was asking for another one, thinking it was dinner. It's a crazy kid. I was having peanuts, so I thought, wow, he was asking me about what we had for lunch. I swear. Anyway. So I'm going to use a notebook punch. And I'm going to use it as a journaling card. And it is Create Paper's Fa La La called Festive. In my spring break, I go back tomorrow, and I did no scrapbooking. I got no scrapbooking done. I didn't even get yard work or my driveway power washed. I was not productive. I did not even get my house spring cleaned like I normally do. I had kids over, and it was just everything got in my way. Well, I will say this. My silhouette, I've been messing with that. For some reason, I have two laptops. One I design on in the living room, one I design on in my scrapbook room. And the one in the living room, I wanted my custom library on there because, of course, I can get the cloud. But I want my custom library on there so I can design in the living room. Otherwise, all I do is my blog and upload videos I have done, have produced and ready for upload on YouTube on my laptop in the living room. And I want to be able to sit and watch my shows and pre-make layouts, pre-design layouts using the Silhouette software. And I keep losing it. I have uploaded my library 5 times. I'm asked for help, and I haven't heard anything yet, but that was Saturday. So, because before it was the designer studio, I was losing, it was going back, it was using my download and then taking me back to, and then as soon as I close it and I log in on my computer in my scrapbook room, I turn around and then I go back to my laptop in the living room. When I log in on my one in my scrapbook room, it logs me off in the living room. So when I log back on in the living room, that's when I lose my library, from what I can gather. So I don't know, or if it crashes, I lose it then as well. But okay, so I have chipboard stickers, which I use, which are Pink Fresh Studio December Days, that Mary everything. The small blue tree there at the bottom. The Let Your Heart Be Light. The poinsettia and the Christmas wishes sticker at the top are Pink Fresh Studio December days. Then the circle and the snowflakes, or circle snowflakes. Tree with a star, the colored circles that I use at like enamel dots, Merry and Bright, which is uses my title, are all Hip Kit Club's exclusive products. And so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.